Hi, English learning. Do you want to access the best and most diverse resources for improving your English skills? If you do, then this video is for you. These are the 250 free English resources that I recommend for learning English. Store your favorite resources and use them. You can choose from a variety of topics and levels, from beginner to advanced, and learn at your own pace. Compare the webs, apps, and content creators to choose your preferred one. Check your inbox for the task to complete. Also, you have a list of resources and choose the one that matches your needs and interests. Download for free. Link on the description. Give a like. Thanks for watching.